He's not Papa Mark.
No, because you're the only Papa Mark. You're.
I'm the only Papa Mark, right?
Yeah, there's only one person. There's a lot of one person.
There's a lot of Papas, but I'm the only Papa Mark.
Yeah.
Let me see you do that little.
I like you, Papa Mark. Yeah.
I wish I had red hair.
What?
Why?
Red hair?
I wish I had blue hair.
Blue hair?
I wish I had green hair.
Green hair?
I wish I had yellow hair.
You
No.
look like a yellow jacket.
I wish I had. I wish I had gray hair.
No, then you'd be old.
Then you would look like me. You don't want to look like me.
I wish I had.
How about
black hair.
how about just the way you are is perfect?
Mm-mm,
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're like a superhero.
mm-mm,
Yeah.
mm-mm. Guys, I think I could play now because I'm the one who runs fast. So come on, guys, let's go.
I think you're like pushing it, buddy.
I think you're like
I'm tired.
I'm pushing two tonight.
I'm tired and squirrely. I gotta watch Squirrely.
Me too. I need to watch this squirrely too. Let's go. I need to watch this squirrely.
Where did you get that drink from?
Mom gave it to me.
Yeah. So what about the cheerleaders on the team? What do you think about them?
Yes.
Whoa!
Okay.